guys, and welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily make a pencil skirt without using a sewing pattern. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. For this project, you are going to need a stretchy fabric because this is a pencil skirt, so you want it to stretch a little bit. To figure out how much fabric you will need, you are simply going to measure the highest point of your backside. Mine was 34. I added 1/2 inch seam allowance, and it should look something like this. Next, it's time to make a flat waistband. Be sure to follow the stretch of the fabric so it will give you that maximum amount of stretch because we won't be needing an elastic for this. And then I fold the fabric like this, and it is 2 inches wide. And then my waistline is 24, and I will add 1/2 inch seam allowance as well, so I'm just going to trim it to size. After that, I am going to match the right side of the fabric, and I'm going to sew it right here. Same goes for the skirt panel. I'm just going to match the back seam and serge it. If you don't have a serger, you can easily use your sewing machine. You can use a stretch stitch. If you don't have that feature, you can use a narrow zigzag stitch instead. After that, I am going to trim off any excess fabric. And then I'll go ahead and make the waistband. I'm simply going to match wrong sides together, and I'm going to quarter the waistband. Same goes for the skirt panel. I am going to quarter the waistline, so it'll be much easier to match the waistband on the skirt. Now I'm going to pin it together. I started with the back seams and then work my way around. And then I decided to add one more pin in between the quarters. Will ensure that the skirt is going to be evenly distributed on the waistband. Don't normally do this step, but because this is for beginners, I decided to do it so it'll be much easier for you guys. I'm going to serge it, and remember to stretch the skirt as you go. After that, it will look something like this. Give it a good press to get rid of the wrinkle. I'm going to finish the hemline, and the skirt is done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every Friday at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. See you soon. Bye!